welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your NOKIA 8.1, for the first we have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down and tap on the system, enter language as an input, and tap on the virtual keyboard, select the Gboard, and right now enter theme. And from all of these themes we can select our favorite, and I'm going to pick up this one. So click, tap on the apply, and right now we can check how it changed. So we are going to use the keyboard in our messages, for example. As you can see, that's how our keyboard looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.